Hey guys, and today we're gonna talk about this turbojet, turbo fan, air duster, violent fan, like has a lot of names, but basically it is very powerful mini fan, so you can dust your keyboard, PC, dry your car, and like a lot of other things. So of course it's from AliExpress, but I think you can buy it like on Temu, on Amazon, like yada yada yada. So what we have here, pretty big size, because on the pictures usually you have smaller ones. This is like more than my palm, right? It's a pretty big one. What we have, it's metal. The fan is metal, what is very nice considering the RPMs that it has. It is brushless, of course, brushless motor, and they say it's 5 volts 1 amp for the charging. Overall, it's pretty good thing, pretty good build quality, no creaks. So I'm really trying to bend it now. Try to listen. Like almost no creaks, no sound. You have removable cup, but removable this thingy to point your ear in the correct direction. You have a flashlight over here, power button, and regulation. And of course Type-C. Type-C is very nice. So to turn it on, you need to press and hold this button. So first of all, what I don't like is that there's no indicator, and I can't like adjust it while it's off. I can do it only when it's on, when it's blowing. Okay. Okay. And the flashlight. It's pretty powerful, and you can adjust how powerful you want it to be, but you can't understand like in what level you are in now, so you just on the feeling. Okay, this is the lowest one. So, and it's basically, it blinks as soon as like it's on a top level or on a least powerful level. Yes, so I think let's go outside and just try it. Let's start with the rails on my balcony. Turn it on. So overall, pretty powerful, and you can dry your balcony easily. So I can try to measure power like this with a weight. So without touching, it can do like around 190, 196 grams. And as you can see, it's already like around 80-90%. So I don't think it will be enough to dry the whole car, but to dry just tight spots like under the mirror, around the mirror caps, around the badges, door handles, will be enough. But for the full car, I think no. And I like this product. It's pretty good for the price, like around like 25 bucks. But I don't like that the regulation, like the adjustments are not understandable, right? So you have like top level, bottom level, and in between you are somewhere. So you need just to rely on your feelings. And the flashlight is basically useless in my opinion. And you don't have pass through. So if you're charging and you try to turn it on, you can't do anything. You can turn it off and charge with like 17-20 watts. Right, but use it? No, you can't. And in the end, I must say I recommend this product. This is pretty nice, it's pretty lightweight, and it's pretty powerful. Not for the full car, but at house to clean your keyboard, to clean the tight spaces. Yeah, pretty nice.